Milwaukee's grip on the hand tool game might feel unshakable, but Ox Tools is here to challenge that assumption. Their collection is designed for real-world abuse, loaded with intelligent features and created with tradespeople's actual needs in mind. These aren't cheap imitations taking up shelf real estate. They're legitimate alternatives that have professionals reconsidering their choices. Today, we're examining the complete range and explaining the reasons behind the hype. Ready to see what's inside? Bricklaying is all about consistency, and the Ox Pro Brick Rule is engineered to deliver exactly that. Combining a folding rule with an integrated brick gauge, this two-in-one tool eliminates the need to juggle separate instruments on the wall. Built from durable ABS plastic, it handles daily job site punishment without losing accuracy. The stretcher bond scale reaches 1200 millimeters and supports brick gauges from 84 to 87 millimeters, covering most standard project requirements. Setting your datum height is quick and intuitive, while reinforced brass hinges and pins keep the joints tight and reliable over time. When the work is done, it folds into a compact profile that slips easily into a bag or pocket. It's a straightforward tool that simply makes laying courses faster, cleaner, and more consistent every time.
A good chisel eventually loses its edge. That's just the reality of site work. Normally, that means throwing it out and starting fresh. Ox sidesteps that waste entirely with a chisel that features fully replaceable tips. When the cutting edge is done, you swap the head and keep going without spending money on a whole new tool. The handle is replaceable too, which takes the sustainability angle even further. Through-tang construction runs the steel the entire length of the handle, meaning you can drive it hard with a hammer without any risk of the head separating. The slim, lightweight profile keeps it maneuverable for precision work, and the included holster even has a dedicated pocket for your spare tips and hardware. It's a genuinely clever design that saves money and reduces waste at the same time.
But Ox brought it firmly into the modern era with the tough rule. Heavy-duty ABS plastic construction means it takes drops, knocks, and general site abuse without cracking or warping out of shape. At 1.2 meters fully extended, it covers most layout tasks comfortably, but the angle finder is what really sets it apart. Lock it anywhere from 0 to 180 degrees, and you've got an instant angle reference for awkward corners, roof pitches, or compound cuts. Solid brass hinges keep the joints smooth and accurate through years of repeated use. Half-millimeter graduations are clear and easy to read, and the whole thing collapses into neat 300-millimeter sections for compact storage. It's a serious upgrade over a standard tape for detailed layout work. Tape measures are tools most tradespeople have a complicated relationship with. The Ultra Blade makes that relationship a lot smoother. The 32-millimeter wide nylon-coated blade delivers an impressive 4-meter standout, letting you bridge large spans without the tape collapsing under its own weight. Double-sided markings mean you read the measurement however the tape lands, without awkward wrist twisting. A powerful magnetic hook latches firmly onto steel studs and holds position while you work. The detail that really wins people over is the textured right-on faceplate. Jot a measurement directly on the case with a pencil and wipe it clean with your thumb when you're done. It's a small innovation, but on a busy site where notepads disappear constantly, it makes a real difference. There's a reason leather tool belts have been the professional standard for generations. Nothing else combines durability and comfort quite like it. The OX Pro leather range uses heavyweight, waterproof top-grain leather that resists the elements while staying supple enough to wear comfortably all day. Double-row nylon stitching and flush press rivets reinforce every pocket, so even when you're loading it up with heavy fasteners and hardware, the seams hold without stretching or failing. The 12-pocket nail bag is the workhorse of the range, supported by dedicated holders for hammers, tape measures, and chisels. An ambidextrous layout works equally well for left and right-handed users, and the belt adjusts across a wide 28 to 48-inch waist range. It's traditional craftsmanship refined for the demands of modern site work. The Ultra Strike was engineered around one core principle: putting the weight exactly where it needs to be. The bridge shaft design shifts mass away from the handle and concentrates it directly behind the striking face, which translates directly into more power with less physical effort. A magnetic nail starter on the crown sets your first nail single-handedly, keeping your other hand free. The side nail puller handles stubborn fasteners that resist a straight pull. Anti-vibration coating on the grip absorbs shock before it reaches your wrist and elbow, which matters enormously when you're swinging repeatedly across a full shift. If joint fatigue has been a problem with your current hammer, this one is genuinely worth trying. Electrical and construction work demands a plier that can handle serious abuse without slowing you down. The Ox Pro Max Force 9-inch linesman pliers are forged from tough alloy steel and built around a patented compound action mechanism that slashes cutting effort by half. The induction-hardened cutting edges stay sharp through heavy daily use, while the long, slim nose gets deep into confined spaces for threading or gripping small components. A machined crosshatch jaw pattern locks onto whatever you're holding and refuses to slip. Injection-molded ergonomic handles absorb fatigue over long sessions. Whether you're cutting, twisting, bending, or pulling wire, these pliers handle it all without complaint, making them a go-to for electricians and construction crews who can't afford a tool that gives up early. Solo measuring has always been a pain, especially when you're trying to get a height reading and your tape just sags into uselessness. The Ox Speed Frame fixes that by replacing the floppy blade entirely with a rigid, telescoping frame that holds perfectly straight no matter how far you extend it. A built-in viewing window gives you an instant, accurate reading without any bowing or guesswork. Spirit bubbles are integrated right into the body, letting you confirm level and plumb simultaneously while you measure. For anyone doing solo framing or drywall layout, this thing cuts your setup time dramatically. It's the kind of tool that feels obvious in hindsight. You'll wonder how you got by without it. Laying out a room accurately used to mean a lot of chalk lines and a lot of rechecking. The OX 3-axis laser kit changes that dynamic completely. It runs on USB-C rechargeable removable batteries, so you're never hunting for a wall outlet mid-job. The green beam technology delivers 4 times the visibility of a standard red laser, with a working range of 45 meters that stretches to 50 using the included target plate. 1 horizontal and 2 vertical lines give you complete 360-degree coverage for framing, cabinet installs, and tile work. 3 selectable modes, manual, self-leveling, and pulse, let you adapt instantly to any environment. A single charge pushes up to 35 hours of runtime on 1 line, so this kit will outlast most full workdays with room to spare. Most blade manufacturers force you to choose between cutting speed and longevity. Ox built 2 separate series so you don't have to compromise. The Lightning blade is optimized for fast, clean cuts through timber, keeping your workflow moving at pace. The Thunder blade prioritizes endurance, engineered to handle punishing workloads day after day without degrading. Both are manufactured in Australia and use Ox lock-tooth embedded carbide tips for exceptional bonding strength. A tempered surface treatment combined with an anti-friction finish controls heat buildup and reduces wear significantly. Premium M9 carbide grade material rounds out the spec, providing maximum resistance to impact and shock loading on the toughest cutting applications. A level that drifts out of calibration is worse than no level at all. The Ox Pro range is built to stay accurate and survive the conditions that knock cheaper levels out of spec. High-quality aluminum extrusions with precision-milled edges provide a reliably flat reference surface every single time. The dual-view vials are a standout feature, readable from both the top and the side, which is a genuine advantage when you're checking plumb in a tight corner or awkward position. Shock-proof rubber end caps absorb impact from drops and are removable when you need the level to sit flush against a surface. Air-cushioned grip zones add comfort during extended use. It's accurate, durable, and comfortable. Everything a professional level should be.
A modular storage system is only as good as its weakest point, and the Tooltrek eliminates weak points from the equation. The IP66 rating is the headline feature, fully dustproof and completely waterproof, meaning your gear stays protected whether the box is sitting in pouring rain or parked on a muddy site overnight. Reinforced ribbing throughout the body handles rough handling and stacking without flexing or cracking. The system supports loads up to 100 kilograms, so stacking heavy materials on top isn't a concern. The oversized 230mm rubber tread wheels roll confidently over gravel, grass, and up staircases without getting stuck. It's a rugged, well-engineered storage solution for tradespeople who need their equipment organized, accessible, and completely protected from whatever the site throws at it.
The claw bar is one of those tools that looks simple, but has enormous room for quality variation. OX got the details right on this one. Drop forged steel construction gives you a bar that handles aggressive leverage without deforming, even under serious load. The striking head on the back face is a smart addition. It gives you a solid surface to drive with a hammer when the claws need to bite deep into a tight gap. Polished, beveled claws slide cleanly under nail heads and behind trim work without gouging surrounding surfaces unnecessarily. A non-slip grip handles vibration absorption and keeps the bar secure in your hand during heavy pulls. Every element has been thought through to make this tool perform better than a basic pry bar in every measurable way.
Plumbing work consistently puts tools in cramped, awkward positions where standard designs simply don't perform well. The OX plumbing range was developed specifically around those real-world limitations. Heavy-duty pipe wrenches grip aggressively without slipping, while purpose-built basin wrenches reach into spaces that would defeat a standard tool entirely. Pipe cutters deliver clean, consistent snaps that minimize prep time before soldering or crimping connections. Every handle in the range is designed for non-slip performance even when your hands are wet or covered in flux, an important safety consideration that cheaper tools often overlook. Taken together, it's a comprehensive collection that brings genuine order and efficiency to one of the messiest and most demanding trades on any job site.
The tough level is designed for tradespeople who need accuracy, but work in conditions that destroy conventional levels fast. The traditional handle design has been eliminated entirely, letting the aluminum box section profile carry the full structural load without any weak points. Precision-milled surfaces deliver dead-accurate readings, and every vial is calibrated to a tight tolerance so you're not second-guessing the bubble. 9mm shock-proof rubber end caps absorb hard impacts from drops and falls without throwing the vials out of calibration. They also pop off cleanly when you need the level to sit flush in a confined space. It's a straightforward, high-performance tool with no unnecessary features and no components that compromise its structural integrity.
The OX work light solves that by combining both into a single unit. At 1400 lumens, the output is strong enough to properly illuminate a dark basement or an evening exterior job. An adjustable stand angles the beam precisely where you need it, and a metal grill with rubber bumper protects the unit from the inevitable knocks it'll take on site. Pairing your phone via Bluetooth gives you music or audio all day without a separate device to manage. IP44 protection handles dust and splashing water without any issues. Mains-powered operation means the battery conversation never happens. It simply runs as long as you need it to. A lunch bag that survives a construction site needs to be built to a completely different standard than anything designed for an office or a gym. The tough cooler bag starts with 600D polyester and a hard-body base so it sits on rough ground without getting crushed or soaked through. Heavy insulation in the main compartment keeps drinks cold for hours, even in summer heat. Multiple side pockets organize pencils and small tools, a dedicated clip holds your tape measure, and a built-in bottle opener handles the end-of-day essentials without you requiring to dig through a drawer. It functions equally well as a rugged small tool bag as it does a lunch carrier, which makes it a genuinely practical piece of kit for long days on site.
Good clamps transform a two-person job into something you can manage solo, and the OX Pro bar clamps deliver the clamping force to back that up. 300 kilograms of holding power covers even demanding glue-ups and heavy framing applications without straining. The quick convert switch flips between clamp and spreader mode in seconds without any additional tools or adjustment, doubling the range of situations these handle. Induction-hardened rails resist flex under maximum load, and TPR jaw cushions grip tightly without marking finished timber surfaces. Single-handed operation lets you position and secure a workpiece simultaneously, which is the entire point of a clamp when you're working alone and need every advantage you can get.
We've walked through the complete OX tool selection from start to finish. Share your thoughts in the comments. Which tool would make it into your collection? If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for additional detailed product reviews, hands-on comparisons, and similar deep dive content.